everyone, it's Layla here, and today I am doing a video about what is in my hospital bag that I'm going to be taking to hospital when I go into labour, which I'm hoping is going to be imminent because I am 2 days overdue and I'm kind of like ready. I'm so ready and I'm just like waiting, and so I decided today to put my makeup on and film this video and try and take my mind off the fact that baby is late. So we actually have 3 hospital bags, one for me, one for Jack and one for the baby, but today I'm just going to show you my one. I have all my stuff in this Dunlop suitcase here, and I'll show you a castaway of how I have placed everything as well, but I'm just going to have it next to me for now. In the very front pocket here I have this notebook here, just a pink plain notebook that says Daydreams on it, and this is just like, it's literally empty, there's nothing in it. I think I've also got a pen here too, pen as well. Basically I just got this off recommendation when I was watching other people's hospital bag videos, just because when you're in hospital, if you get told something or you need to remember something or you need to write something down, like it's good to have like a notebook on you, just because you forget a lot and you've got so much going on. So yeah, just if I need to write anything down. Open up my case. We've got a pocket right at the front, and then obviously we've got the main section. And then, so if we open up the front pocket, I have a big sexy packet of maternity towels, which you need to take so that they can see how much fluid is coming out of you in the nicest way. Yeah, so I've got a big pack of them, and then I've got like just a selection of nursing pads as well, just because I didn't want to take the whole thing, but I just bought a selection. Hopefully that's enough. So then in the main section I've got this 2-pack of toothbrushes, disposable toothbrushes, just because you don't want to take your everyday toothbrush into hospital. So I've got one for me and one for Jack, we could just throw them away after. And then I bought this really like lightweight dressing gown. This is literally just from Primark. It's just a really lightweight dressing gown, because loads of people were saying take a dressing gown into hospital, but at the moment it's super hot in the UK, so I didn't want like a furry fluffy dressing gown, plus it wouldn't have fitted in this case anyway. So just a lightweight material I thought would be substantial. And then I have this black vest here, which is because I'm planning on having a water birth. So and they ask you to take a top that doesn't have what do you call it, like metal bits on it, or like plastic bits. It ruins the bathtub, so like it can scratch it or whatever. I don't really understand, but anyway. So we just got a plain black t-shirt with no metal bits, plastic bits on the arms, and I could wear this in the birthing pool as well, because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to wear like a bikini top or whatever, but I didn't bring one, so yeah. And I'm not going to show you, but I've got like a whole load of like folded up black knickers in here as well on the clothes side. And then I also have some pyjamas in here. I've just got these lightweight shorts just in case I want to get comfy. Really don't know how comfy I'm going to be able to be when I'm in labour, but we'll see. And then I bought this plain black bag. This is just a NARS bag. It's got this promo bag, and I just thought I could put any like dirty washing in there and stuff. And then I have a pair of socks, a nursing bra, And then I've got like a going home outfit, but it's so basic and loose. It's just like a pair of black leggings and just this grey baggy top. Like I'm not bothered about looking my best self when I go home. I'm probably just gonna want to go home and sleep, or you know, play with the baby or whatever. I also have some Carex anti-back wipes just for wiping stuff away, and I've got a pair of slippers because everyone says you should bring slippers to hospital. They're just like the sock ones. And then I've got 2 bags here. I actually can't remember what's in them, so let's have a look. So in this bag here I have a mini deodorant, a small pack of face wipes, I have a body wash from the Sanctuary Spa, I've got a travel size conditioner and shampoo. Anyone would think I'm going on holiday, I know. Then I've got a moisturiser from Baylis and Harding. Then I've got a couple of hair ties as well. I've got a mini moisturiser from Origins. This is the Ginseng Energy Boosting Moisturiser. It's just a little travel one. I have a nail file. And I've got a packet of gum. All of this was on recommendation of what other people have bought. So I'm assuming this bag has a bit of makeup in it, which you probably think is absolutely crazy. But the thing is I always think it's better to pack and like not need stuff than not pack it and then be like, oh, I wish I had that. I've got 2 brushes, and I've got a mascara from Icona Milano. I've got a beauty sponge. I have the Kick-Ass Soap and Glory powder. I've got this highlighter from Revolution. This is Vivid Baked Highlighter in Peach Light. Then I've got a primer from MAC. This is the miniature skin base visage. Then I've got the Fresh Nude foundation from the Body Shop. I've got the Peachy Glow Insta Glow CC cream from the Body Shop as well. Love this stuff, it's so good. I've got a mini Hoola bronzer. I have this 17 concealer. I've got this little cream blush from a Bourjois. I've had this for so long. And then I've got 2 lip products. I've got the Fenty Beauty. This is the Gloss Bomb lip gloss. And lastly I have the MAC lipstick in the Fleur de Force X colour. And that's everything. I actually feel like this video has been a lot shorter than I thought it would be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you what's in my baby's hospital bag as well, because I don't think that'll take too long either. I haven't packed a load of stuff, just essentials again. So just quickly again, this is my baby's hospital bag. This is just my rucksack that I used. It's from Jack Wills. It's just a nice tartan rucksack, just easy to carry. So again, we've got a front pocket and then a main pocket. So let's have a look what's in the front pocket. So in the front pocket I have got a couple of just normal vests. These are just the normal newborn vests. And I've also got a pair of, I think this is one of the socks. Yeah, this is socks and this is mittens. I've also got a little baby hat as well. Okay, and then in the main section, the first thing I can see is his going home outfit, which I took so long to choose because I just wanted something perfect. In the end, we ended up going for this adorable little cardigan, which is from Gap, Baby Gap. It's actually 0 to 3, so this could end up being a little bit big for him. But anyway, we'll see. And to pair along with that, we've also got these little shorts, which I think these are from, yeah, these are also from Gap. These are just really cute. I just thought, because it's so hot, like, we could do with the option to have shorts. But I also did bring a little pair of leggings as well, which are from Primark, I believe. So just so we've got the option for him to have, and then he can obviously wear a vest as well. And then I have a big packet of cotton wool. This is just in case I want to do cotton wool instead of like wiping or whatever they want to do. But I also bought some water wipes as well because everyone's going on about water wipes. I thought I'll give them a try, see what I think. And then I don't know if I've got enough, but these are the nappies I bought. There isn't a ton in here. I've only got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've only got 7 little nappies. Basically I didn't want to bring the whole pack. As you can see, it's not a massive bag, so it wasn't going to fit a whole pack of nappies in it. And I just thought, you know, if we do need some more, there's literally a mother care opposite the hospital. Jack can run and get some. Like, it's not that deep. Like, someone can go and get him some, like, if we do need some more. Then I have a little baby blanket. I love this, it's so soft. Then I've got one muslin cloth in here as well, and this is a Dumbo muslin cloth. And then inside the bag there's another little pocket, and I've just got a massive pack of nappy bags, and also a Cow and Gate milk just in case, because although I do plan to breastfeed, I just think it's better to be prepared and have some milk if I can't. Okay, so that's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that either by the time this video is up or by the time my next video is up, I will have had the baby, because I am getting very impatient. Like, he needs to come out now. This isn't even a joke, like, now. Anyway, it was great talking to you, and I hope to see you very soon. Wish me luck. Bye guys.